Friends, right now I will tell you a little bit about our hotel. We have booked it from Make My Trip, and I will show you how does it look, what is inside, and all about it. So let's check together because I'm also really excited about it. The name of the hotel, the Cedar Grand Hotel Spa and Resorts. See, it's just on the main street once you enter Shimla. It is really big and beautiful. All windows are coming out. It has its own personal parking, so you do not need to worry about where to keep your car. And we have also parked over here. And let me show you what is inside. So here you have to keep your keys, and they will take care of your keys, so no worries about it. See, the area looks very cozy. It is decorated with flowers, real flowers, and plus all woodwork, really beautiful. Now see, this is the lobby. This is the main entry. It's really cozy here. Very nice sofas. If you came too early, you can sit and wait. They're quite soft. See? From this point it is also very nice, plus they have the aroma lamp, so the fragrance is also really good here. If you feel hot, then they can switch on AC for you. This area looks really amazing. See, they're decorating every morning with the fresh flower petals. Today it's flowers, roses, and they have even a fireplace. Wow, looks so amazing. Of course, you have to sanitize your hands. It's like everywhere in Delhi, automatic sanitizer. So you have to just put your hand down, that's it. And this is the main reception. See, it looks neat, clean. And here staff is very polite, and when we came, we gave all the documents, so they have done their job really nicely. And pay attention, there is a protective screen if you're afraid to be sick with COVID, and everyone is wearing mask. So now let me show you the room. This hotel has a lift. See, you must wear masks everywhere in order to protect from COVID. And plus, pay attention to the stairs. They're so beautiful, really nicely made in golden design. Here everywhere paintings, and of course on the background playing lovely music.
So finally we are entering our hotel room.
Let's open it.
Yeah, it's 402, so let's open it. Let's check.
We took the club room, and let's see how is it.
So let me show you the bathroom.
If you feel that it's dirty, you will not be able even to shower in it.
बाथरूम काफ़ी क्लीन है और काफ़ी बड़ा है और काफ़ी अच्छा है.
See, they have hair dryers, so you do not need to carry yours. And good thing is that bath cabin is closed.
Yeah,
you do not need to shower over
Yeah,
here.
separate bath cabin.
Oh, really nice.
Wow, what a nice bed.
This is all window. Let's come to check.
Okay, let's check the window. See how's the view. Open it.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Can you imagine?
So beautiful view.
Really so nice. Check.
Do you like it?
Yes, I really love it. And you know, we asked the reception, they said that from all their hotel rooms, you can see the sunrise. So we really like it. And plus, there is a so great valley view. Oh, I really love it.
दोस्तों व्यू आप देखेंगे, बड़ा शानदार व्यू है, इतना अमेजिंग कि मैं कुछ कह नहीं सकता वर्ड्स में, मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता कितना अमेजिंग है. आप यहाँ अपने रूम में और सामने आपको पूरा शिमला का वैली दिखता है, और हम काफ़ी ऊंचाई पे हैं. आप देखिए, हमने टॉप फ्लोर लिया है, और क्लब रूम में ये देखिए विंडो कितना बड़ा और स्पेशियस है. काफ़ी शानदार व्यू है. मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है क्योंकि यहाँ से हम सनराइज देखेंगे मॉर्निंग में.
Yes, we have to get up so early in order to see the sunrise from here, but yes, it worth it. And you see, if you're coming, I guess this is the parking for the cars. If your hotel does not provide parking, you can park over there, but our hotel provides parking, so we do not need to go somewhere else.
So okay, let me check the bed. फोटो में चेक करते हैं कि बेड कितना सॉफ्ट है.
Yes, because sometimes you go to hotels and bed can be uncomfortable, it can be too soft or too hard.
So, ready?
Ready, steady, go! Oh, so how's the bed?
काफी सॉफ्ट बेड है.
And what is this? This is the big window. Where does it lead? Any idea?
ये जो बिग विंडो है, आई थिंक ये खुल सकते हैं और आप देख सकते हैं कि अंदर कौन शावर ले रहा है. काफी इंटरेस्टिंग विंडो बना
Amir will be taking shower and I will be peeping.
प्राइवेट स्टफ.
All right.
काफी अच्छा रूम, मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा
Yeah,
लगा.
I think that it's really cozy and we will spend nice evening here.
कैंडल लाइट डिनर आप यहाँ बैठ के पूरे व्यू के साथ, कितना अच्छा व्यू आएगा. और इस होटल में जो कैफेटेरिया है वो टॉप फ्लोर पे है और उसकी विंडो बहुत बड़ी है, सो पूरा वैली वहां से दिखेगा.
So for breakfast, I guess we will be going there and we will show. Right.
Sure. See, room looks very nice. Hi, good morning, friends.
Good morning.
So finally we woke up. It was a very tiring journey yesterday, and now we are refreshed, and it's time to have breakfast.
This is the dining room, or how we'll say, a restaurant, which is here. See, looking so cozy and nice. And there are a lot of big panoramic windows, so you can sit and enjoy the view. See, the view is really beautiful. So let's see what do they serve and see. Oh, what a nice design! Really great. So let's have check what food they have.
So friends, as Corona is here, so they're not giving buffet breakfast, and our breakfast is included with the room. So they gave us a menu, and from there we can order breakfast. So let's see what they have in the breakfast menu. So ये है इनका breakfast menu. Time है 7:30 to 10:30. They are giving fresh cut fruits, toast with desserts, cereal milk, stuffed paratha, sandwich, puri bhaji, chana bhatura, eggs, tea, canned juice. And अगर आपके रूम में included नहीं है, so they are giving 400 rupees per person and taxes extra. So let's see what we will order. We will decide. So here is our breakfast. So we ordered a canned juice. It's one pineapple and
Mine was also pineapple.
रीना ने ऑर्डर करा है एप्पल और पाइनएप्पल.
Also pineapple.
और ये हिमालय इनका खुद का ब्रांड है, हिमालय का. सो इनका नेचुरल कैन जूस है. और हमने ऑर्डर करा है पूड़ी भाजी. सो पूड़ी एंड आलू भाजी, देन पराठा है यहाँ पे, अचार दिया है और फ्रूट्स में पाइनएप्पल एंड वाटरमेलन. You like the juice?
Very tasty. It's like so yummy.
Yummy.
I'll try apple also.
Okay, that is good. So this is all their breakfast.
Okay, enjoy our food.
And then we are going to enjoy our food. So it's time for leaving the Shimla, and we are leaving our nice hotel. So my experience with the hotel was excellent.
Yes,
I'll
we give all 5 stars. Although this hotel is 4 stars, but from our personal opinion, we give 5 out of 5 for everything. Service is amazing.
Yeah.
Food, breakfast is really
even
tasty.
room is very excellent. Yeah.
And the view is 1 million worth.
Yeah, and staff is very good. People are telling bad comments, but I don't think so. Staff
Because
is very excellent.
Sometimes you're reading comments, you're saying, "Oh, they are rude and unpolite." No,
Yeah.
from our experience, we loved it so much. So do come to the Cedar Grand Hotel and Spa and Resorts. You will enjoy this place, and you will spend your few holidays the same as we have spent it.
Yeah, and if we'll come to Shimla next time, we'll definitely book this hotel again.
Right.
Yeah,
So for today, that's it.
and then let's see you in our next vlog.
And don't forget to press the like button
And subscribe to our channel.
see you in the next videos.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.